Hey, what is up guys? Assassin Gamer here. I found this on the App Store and it's called Tower Crush. And I looked at it and it was like actually pretty cool. Let's do play. See what we can do. Campaign. Let's do campaign first. Because we gotta know how to... Okay. Wait, so you have to build your own tower. Oh shit, I didn't read it. There you go. Die, bitch. Well, that was actually pretty cool, I guess. Working page. So I have 1,000. Let's do. What did it say? You need to select tower floor. There we go. Maybe this. Oh shit. Well, it looks like I can only do that. Here. There we go. 200. Let's see here. I'm going. Okay, there. Now let's go back. I really like this game. Let's go to campaign again.
Attack!
You shall not win.
Ooh, God. It's gonna get wrecked. Damn. Jesus. Man, that was cool.
For victory!
Ready for battle.
Rocket launcher. Damn, bitch. Oh, that's cool.
Ready for battle.
Attack!
Forward, you come. Damn. Man, these guys are getting wrecked. I'm gonna go to shop. Looks like I can't add anything on that floor. I kind of want to do first friend. It's coming. Aw, shit. I'm sorry, guys. Looks like I can only do campaign on this.
Your time has come.
Attack!
Boy. You ain't not getting my shit. Nice. Nice. Very nice. I gotta go shop. Okay. So I got 70 coins, so it looks like I have to do a machine gun. There we go. Let's go back. Campaign.
I will end you.
Shall
Oh, this girl wants to go, bitch. Boy. Okay. There we go. Shit, I pressed play
Cannot
again.
resist.
no mercy.
I I think I'm gonna win this one. Let's wait, get wrecked, girl. Ooh, damn. Well, this was a very, very short video, so hope you guys liked. Sub and like. Maybe in the next few episodes I might do some hacked, and let's try to get 30 likes on this. See you guys later. Peace out.